Hi, and welcome. We are Sonic and Tinker here. My name is Christian Peterson. We are the founders of the Lovework Solutions.
Do you remember when you were first in love? When your relationship was fun and easy?
You know, when you saw endless possibilities for your future and your partner seemed to be the most interesting and amazing person in the whole world?
But after a while, things change, right? You get used to each other. You're not exactly so excited to see each other when you come walking in the door.
Yeah, you might be talking a lot more about logistics instead of, the romantic dreams of your future.
And you might notice that there's a lot more criticism, complaint, and lurking dissatisfaction sneaking into your relationship.
I know you might even feel you kind of lost your spark. You're like, boats passing each other or more roommates than lovers.
So we know lots of couples just think of that this dulling process is normal, and every couple has trouble, right? But that doesn't have to be your love story.
Yeah, with some very simple insights and processes, you can learn to bring out the very best of your partner, yourself, and your relationship. Like you can even learn to be in love again. That's what this mini workshop is all about.
Yeah, in this mini workshop, you're going to learn simple, effective tools and activities for accessing and expressing the very best of yourself, your partner, and your relationship.
Yeah, we're going to help you how to avoid the biggest relationship mistake that pretty much every couple makes.
How to look at each other with love-struck eyes again.
How to bring out the best of your partner or actually anyone you're around.
And how to create an exciting relationship future.
Yeah, and we're going to give you some simple, effective tools to rekindle your love and your mutual admiration. So we hope you'll join us. You can find more information about how to register lower on this page. We'll look forward to seeing you.
Yep, here's to giving yourself falling in love again.
Yeah.